Test 1, question 17. Given the double bar graph shown below, which of the following statements is true?
Alright, so this next problem makes use of some vocabulary that you might not have seen before. It's not a hard problem, you just need to know the vocabulary. But before we get into that, I want to give you a small breakdown of some basic concepts. So first off, this problem mentions the word normal. A normal is something called a probability distribution. So let me go ahead and draw a graph for you. This is a normal distribution, which is one of many different types of probability distributions. So probability distributions. Okay? So a normal distribution is notable for the fact that if we consider the middle of the curve, it is the same on both sides, and it slowly dies off as you go towards the edge, but it never quite reaches zero. Okay? So that's a normal distribution. A normal distribution, we can consider different variations on it. So one variation is, what would happen if we took this tail on the right and we pulled it out? Well, what we get is we get a skewed distribution. And if in this case we would get skewed such that we have a very rapid rise on the left side, but then we have a long tail. And we call this skewed right or skewed positive because the tail is pulled out to the right or pulled to the positive direction. If we pull the tail on the other end and we pull it to the left, what we have is a long tail and then a very rapid rise on the other side, and this is skewed left or skewed negative. This can be anti-intuitive because in the skewed right case, most of your information is on the left, and in the skewed left case, most of your information is on the right. But think about the direction with which you're pulling the tail. Now, looking at these answers here and comparing against our given graph, we could see that group A seems to fit into the right positive or the right or positive skew, and group B seems to fit into a normal distribution. And if we look at the answer choices, we can see that answer choice B is the correct answer.
Thank you for watching this video. These math tutorials are based on the TSI Assessments Secrets study guide by Mometrix. You can find the 2016 version here or the 2020 version, which was updated based on the TSI 2.0 exam. If you would like to reach out to the instructor, you can reach out at the email on screen, or if you have general questions for Del Mar College Veterans Upward Bound, you can reach out at vub@delmar.edu or text or call the number on the screen. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.